Oh man, I'm so hungry. But first, I don't want to watch Charlie, but I do want to open his blinds. Oh man, so we can get him some light in here. That's more. Okay, that's more better, but okay. Charlie can wait. I'm hungry. Okay, so is there a note? Dear Red, I have. He spells stuff wrong. I have. What in the world? He doesn't know how to write. Have went to Mexico to meet my family.
But in the last analysis, the flavor was
he didn't do the rest of them.
Of the population.
I can't believe he went to Mexico without permission. It's not that. It's not even that important. Who cares? I need something to eat. Can I eat?
We need your help to find our friend Molly.
Well, I did have this bottle.
I never thought that you would come to me, so I made these.
How did you know?
The 6 nipple eyes see the past, the present, and the future. 6.
That's the only way I can survive.
Right, the locker's gone.
So, okay. For my only survival, I gotta turn on this fan. For my survival. Oh, that's good. Look at me. I'm gonna do right here. It's a fan. Oh gosh. Now I'm getting cold.
Thanks to the hat.
Who was she like? We completely forgotten about her.
Well, let's say she was boring.
Whitebird's missing. Hey, dude. Hey, Red. Have you seen Whitebird? He went to Mexico. Mexico? But I'm hungry. Stay in your personal space. I'm feeling the air. It's cold in here.
No, I feel great.
Oh, hey, another clue. Just like But our whole house is gone. It's like
Why did you turn off the fan? Because it was cold in here. Would you go turn off that TV? No, I'm watching this. Who cares about that game?
On 3, 2,
And who cares about what? Who cares about the amazing world of Gumball? How come you're staying on there? Because I'm a triangle. Have you seen Whitebird? He went to Mexico. Let no more people come. Okay. We're having this conversation. You're gonna have to leave, bro. Ow! And you, Yellow. I can turn on this fan now. Oh, jeez. Okay, I'm ready. Ugh. Let's get my remote. Let's change it to Charlie. Here's the Charlie and Friends Show. Hey guys, I'm Charlie. Woo! And today, I don't know what to do. But I did find this green thing that I found in the attic. What do you do? Is this a video player? Or, Guys, I think I know what it is. It's a music player. Let's turn this thing on. Hey, why is this thing not turning on? Turn on! Turn on! That's so funny, Charlie. Charlie. Oh, man. Oh, man, you're so funny. Charlie, you never get old. Hey, I'm back from Mexico. Why'd you leave without permission? Well, I did bring you this maraca. Well, don't interrupt me. I'm watching Charlie. Charlie, this thing again? This thing is stupid. How is it stupid? Just look at it for once. But where's the remote? Oh, it's right here. Duh. What do you mean? Here's the Charlie and Friends Show. Hey guys, and I'm back from Mexico. Yes. And I still don't know why this thing won't work. Uh-oh. So a teeth got stuck in there. See the little teeth? That tooth got stuck in there. Let me try to get it out. Why is the tooth not coming out? That's so funny, Charlie. He still didn't know how to fix that. And he got a little drastic fly. Oh, man. What? This is dumb. Hey! Hey, get back here! Oh, where do you think you're going? You're staying right here. But Red, I need to go cook. Cook? Let's go. Hey, what? Hey! I gotta clean the kitchen first. What do you mean? Okay, so bye, Red. I gotta go to New York, so and I quit, so I'm gonna get a new job. You're just kidding, are you? Yeah, I'm kind of gonna miss the place when I move. So it's gonna take me like 40 and 80 and 140 minutes to clean the thing. Why? I don't have hands. What do you mean, why? Fine. It's only for this time, and if you do it one more time, I will come over there and get you. You're acting kind of weird. Yeah, whatever. Just get out of my room. Just tell me when it's ready. I'm gonna watch Charlie. Okay.